So coming to the today's class, thank you everyone. First of all, good morning. Thank you for joining the today's class. So coming to the today's class, I've been teaching LWC. So LWC is nothing but a Lightning Web Components. So let me try to share my screen. Yeah, my screen is visible. LWC is nothing but Lightning Web Components. Okay, to design front-end UI, we'll use Lightning Web Components to design the front-end UI. In the Salesforce, we'll use this. In 2019, Aura component, 2014 Aura component has been came into existence, but there are some drawbacks for the Aura component to design the front end UI. So 2019 Salesforce has introduced LWC to design the front end UI. So and it coming to LWC, it is used to run. It is used to run based on the JavaScript standards. Based on the JavaScript standards. For example, if JavaScript is updated, okay, LWC also will be updated. Coming to the Aura, it is using older version. Okay, so nowadays no projects are preferring Aura components. Every projects are preferring LWC. Okay, if they have an Aura also, they are migrating to LWC. Okay, every project to design the front end UI, we are using LWC. LWC is nothing but a Lightning Web Components. So what we are going to design in the upcoming classes. So before starting the class, first of all, I'm teaching HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Okay. So because there are so many topics in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, but whatever the topics are essential for LWC, okay, I'm going to be cover HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. After completion of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, let me try to see LWC. LWC basics. So here I'm saying again, from basic to advanced level with advanced topic with advanced scenarios, different types of scenarios I'll cover in the LWC. Okay. So when I'm teaching each topic, okay, in this LWC basics, I'll discuss about installation part for LWC, and also I'll discuss about some scenarios one by one. I'm going to be discuss. When I'm teaching LWC basics, okay, so I created just there are different types of scenarios I'm going to explain, and different types of topics are there like conditional rendering, okay, template looping, decorators. In interviews also, I'm saying again, some of the topics are helpful for your interviews and some of the topics are helpful for your projects. I'm going to be cover each and everything. When I'm discussing, this is an interview questions like that. So kindly please note down somewhere. Okay, like this is the topic for interview. Even I'll provide the interview questions as like previous. Admin, development, and integration, whatever I provided like that, I'll provide the interview questions also here. Okay. So here we have at the rate of API, at the rate of wire, at the rate of track. There are some other topics. When I'm discussing LWC basics, okay, just I'm requesting everyone kindly please create an application like this. Okay, it will be easy for you in your future. In your future, it will be easy. Let me try to log in. It is available in another org. If you created an application like this, it will be easy for you in future. That's it. To refer any of the components because we can reuse. Okay, in your real-time projects also you can reuse these components. In real-time projects also you can reuse these components. I'm saying again, when I'm teaching LWC basics, okay, I'm going to be create a separate application. In this application, okay, different types of scenarios, okay, one by one for each topic I'm going to be design, okay, different scenarios. Like after that, let me try, there are different scenarios, etc. is there, and whatever the topics I'm going to cover, each and everything uploaded file. So LWC na ours is a batch 50. Like I created a separate folder LWC. In this particular folder, I created a docs. Inside it I uploaded. Okay. What are the topics I'm going to cover in the upcoming classes? Each and everything I mentioned here. Okay, after that I'm discussing about component composition and styles in LWC. I will ask you one question. If you went to any of the web page, there are some images, there are some stylings. Anyone observed this? Anyone observed? Vikash, whenever if you see in any of the website, these are all the things are common. Some stylings are like for example, if you take HDFC, HDFC has been designed using LWC. They have taken Salesforce, Axis Bank. Like this, there are different types of banking applications are there. Not only banking,
Yes, sir.
e-commerce, it's everywhere. Okay, like how to apply some stylings. Each and everything I'm going to be design. When I'm teaching the component composition, let me try to design this. Okay, you can able to see. For example, if you clicked on 100 times it is increased like this. Only one time. Like this, I'm going to be design with different scenarios. This is a map. After completion of this, like each and every topic, I'm going to be discuss different scenarios. I'm saying again. For each topic, I'm going to be covered. After that, let me try to discuss about life cycle hooks. Life cycle hooks are very important for the interview point of view also. There are different types of life cycle hooks like constructor, connected callback, rendered callback, error callback, and disconnected callback. Ramgiri, how is the calls in Australia and render method? How is the interview calls in Australia? In India, interviews are like increased. Like from past 1 week onwards, the people are getting calls. Last
Same
month
here,
we are
Venkat.
not getting, but last one, Ramgiri?
Same here. Yeah, same here. I'm seeing some openings.
Yes, exactly.
Mm.
In
Mm.
India, it's improved from past 1 week onwards. Like 1 month should be like that. 1 month should be improved. Okay. Still June, there are so many vacancies. July, August, it became down. September, last week onwards, September 15 onwards, it is increasing. I told you, definitely it will be increasing. Again, September, October, it will be increasing. November, December, January, no, and November ending to December, no vacancies because holidays for everything, yeah, like other countries due to Christmas. Again from January onwards, like this it should be. Not only Salesforce, other technologies also. But what about in USA?
It's a okay, okay, Venkat, not that much. Last
Yeah,
month it
here
was
it should.
good, I feel, but again,
Okay. Yeah,
yeah.
again, yes. I think USA should be some recession. I hope so. Yeah,
No,
I
we
think
have
it's not.
elections right next month.
Next month elections. Yeah, okay.
Yeah, so
I think
that's it.
after elections it will be improved. I'm expecting.
No, after election, then holidays, so everything came together. So
Yes,
probably
exactly.
by,
November, December. Yeah, from January onwards, vacancies will be improved in USA.
yeah, that's what. So within by January it will improve. So we have to use this 3 months and be ready for January.
Yes,
Once it
exactly.
is then you have to be ready, right? That's why.
Yes, exactly. Okay, fine. Okay, life cycle hooks. Like we have constructor, connected callback, rendered callback, error callback. When I'm discussing this, again, I'm going to be discussing separate tab I'm going to be create. Okay, when you clicked on the sign up page, you can able to see. When you clicked on sign in page, like this, I'm going to be design. This is very important for your interview point of view also. Let me try to design about
In in
component communication.
real real time also will use life cycle hooks.
Life cycle hooks in the real time will use connected callback only. Okay.
Okay.
So definitely one component need to be communicated with another component. Yeah. Without component communication, definitely nothing. Yeah. There are different types of component communication: parent to child component communication, child to parent component communication, using PubSub. If in independent component communication. For each and everything, I'll discuss. Okay, some scenarios and assignments, everything I'll give you. PubSub is an older approach. Now we are not using, we are using only LMS. Okay, like each and everything I'll discuss different scenarios when I'm discussing parent to child. Okay, let me try to design component communication. Yes, these are all the things. See, just I created a form. For example, employee name, I'm mentioning Bhargav. Okay, I'm clicking on submit. Immediately data will be submitted. Everyone able to see the data? If you clicked on increase, the data will be increased. If you clicked on decrease, data will be decreased. If you clicked on 20, 20%. If you clicked on 40, 40%, like this. Here, this is the thing.
What is that PubSub and one more thing you told, Elder?
Yeah, I'll tell you. Independent means if there is no relationship in between the components. We'll go to this. If there is no relationship in between one component and another component. Here there is no relationship. Okay. Hi, I am LWC. Then we can go with, see, each and other components are received. If there is no relationship in between the just I'm discussing an overview in upcoming classes, each and everything I'll discuss. Okay. If there is an independent components, if there is no relationship in between the components, then we can go with this approach. Nowadays, we are not using PubSub, we are using only LMS. Okay. LMS is nothing but Lightning Message Service. Yeah, this is the thing. Just I'm overview only. I'm not discussing each topic in detail. In upcoming class, I'm going to be discussing about in detail. I'm saying again to everyone. So another thing is navigation service. Definitely, anyone observed in the banking application or whatever it may be, like for example, this is one LWC component. If you clicked on next, again you are navigating to another screen. Okay, this is a continuation screen. Anyone observed this when you clicked on next?
Yes.
Okay, again you are navigating to another screen. Anyone observed?
Yes.
If you clicked on submit, data will be submitted. Anyone observed this type of thing?
Yeah, Venkat. Like when you are applying for job also, so first page you'll get general details
Ah,
next.
yeah, this is the thing. Just
And
to navigate from one LWC component to another LWC component, we'll use a navigation to LWC. Okay, navigate to LWC one service is there. But I'll discuss 9 types. But here, the last one, navigate to LWC, is very important. Yeah. So for example, here I'm doing account name Bhargav. Just I'm applying. It's normal I'm providing. Click on next. See, everyone able to see other details are also getting. If you click on submit, the data will be stored in the backend. Okay, this is the thing. In upcoming, I'll explain all these navigation services. Then lightning, the same concept we can design in a multiple ways. Okay, and lightning data service also one way. So here lightning record form, lightning record view form, and we have lightning record edit form. Okay, from my LWC component you can create the data. Okay, you can save the data or you can update the data. Okay, just by using lightning data service you can able to perform of these operations. You can able to see, for example, I want to create an account name Ramgiri. Let us see, I'm creating Ramgiri details. If you clicked on submit, data will be saved. Storage limit exceeded means why I'm getting this error. Any reason why I'm getting this error? Because I told you we are using free edition. We have a limited records availability is there. More than that, it is not possible because we are using free edition. Because we are using free edition. If it's a paid edition, means we have a storage. Just I'm deleting. Just you can write some SQL query. You can write some SQL query to delete. I think everyone know. Delete. Select ID. Name from account object. DML failed. You attempt to delete sample account could not be completed. Okay. I think some entitlements are linked. What it is showing. Except this ID, other details I can able to delete because entitlement is linked. Previously I dealt with service cloud. In the service cloud I discussed about entitlement. Anyone remember entitlement I discussed in the service cloud? See, okay, now I can able to delete. Edge communication because some opportunity in that account were closed down. See, they're saying that some opportunities are closed down. We cannot able to delete it. In the real time, if you want to delete one in the real time, it's an unlimited edition they will use. Okay, we'll get some high storage. Here we are not using any unlimited edition. I'm saying again to everyone. We are using a free edition here. In real time, we'll use some high paid edition. Okay, the client will give you accordingly. Okay, no worries. Just I'll see later. Yeah, just normally for your understanding, I shown. Okay, just Mr. Here account name. Just the data will be deleted. Let's delete one of the record. Just I'm deleting some of the records and let me try it. Maybe then some free storage will be available. Sadhvi, Amit. Just I'm deleting some of the record. Siri, Subhash. Okay, I'm deleting some of the records. Now let me try to go to. I'm not sure again if it is comes. Yeah, no worries. Just only for your understanding, I'm showing you. Click on save. For your understand, storage limit exceeded. You can try from like because in upcoming class I'll show you. No worries. Because I have a limited storage. Okay, I'll use another org for all these LWC components. Okay, we have a limited storage. That is the reason I'm getting. Okay, everyone is clear with my point. Whenever if you click on save, the record will be saved to the backend. Yeah, this is one thing. So here we have different types. Each and when I'm discussing these scenarios, each and everything I'll explain. If you click on click me button, click. Just I'm loaded the data. Okay. If you clicked on save, the data will be saved. All these type of operations. In the upcoming classes, I'm going to be design each and everything. After completion of Lightning data service, let me try to design about another topic, resource component context and notifications. Okay, here I'm going to be design how to load third-party JavaScript API, CSS, how to display some toast notifications, custom labels, etc. Okay, some other topics I'm going to be design in this. Anyone seen this? For example, if you go to hiring manager object, if you clicked on save, okay, some toast notification like success. Anyone observe this? Anyone observed?
Which one, Uncle?
like I'll show you. Okay, if you clicked on save, immediately some toast notification. So I think still entire storage has been occupied. That's why storage limited exception I'm getting. I'm getting storage limited exception because all the records has been stored. No storage because we have a limited. The records are deleted. Let me try to go to click on new. What is this? Okay, when you clicked on save, some toast notification. When you clicked on save, some success like that toast notification. Anyone observe this? Let me try to open in another org at least.
Like when you do some transaction, it will become success your transaction like that.
Ah, yes, like that. Exactly. Okay, let me try to open in another org. No worries. This org is fully occupied with the space. Your transaction has been done successful. Some notification. Okay, you can able to click on new. Just I'm saving this record. Yes, anyone observed some notification I'm getting? Success. How to create this type of notifications by using the here we have different types like success, error, warning. I'm going to be design everything. Like when I'm designing this, I'll create a separate topic. Yeah, and also how to you upload images. Okay, not only this, how to upload images. Okay, because in your website, images are being plays a major role. All these things I'm going to be design. After completion of this, I'm going to be design about Apex. How to involve, how to import your backend records to the front end. How to deal all this particular process in the Apex in LWC. I'm going to be design. How to deal all this. Okay, just when I'm designing Apex in LWC, I'm going to be design a separate thing. Okay, here I loaded. Okay, from the front end. For example, when you clicked on the phone inquiry records are getting. For example, if we searched on India, means I'm getting the records from the back end to the front end. How to design all these things. I'm going to be design with different use cases. And after completion of Apex, LDS wire adapters. Okay, then book listing API with REST callers with integration. Just I'm integrating external systems. Okay, with external systems. For example, if you search for Java, immediately Java related books will come. Yes, everyone able to say I got the Java related books. For example, if you search for the Python, immediately Python related books you'll get. Everyone able to see the Python related books. For example, if
Yes.
we search for C related books you'll get. Means we are getting the data from the external systems. External systems. At last, I'll going to design experience cloud. I'll design traveling application and health cloud application. If you don't need this particular thing in your resume, I'll give you. No worries, I'll give you. Before 15 days. Before I think mostly today's 23 na. October 10, I'll provide you the resumes. Okay, accordingly you can update it. Accordingly you can update it. Let me try to click on setup. Okay, just I'm going to be design these two sites. Pusha travels I designed. And another is Omega Hospitals also. This is an experience cloud application which I'm going to be designing. One is Omega Hospital. Here we have login. If you want to modify anything, you can modify it accordingly. Here we have login, registrations, every other things are there. And we have Osha Travels, Orange Bus. Both are same. Just I changed the name. That's it. Yes, that's it. I'm going to be designing this thing also. It's like customer support application. You want to contact the support, you can contact. If you save the record here, immediately data will be saved under the backend. Okay, like here we have login pages, registrations, different things. And here we have different types of articles. If you clicked on invoice related articles will be going to be displayed like this. Yeah, in the upcoming classes, I'm going to be design all these things also. Apart from this, I'm going to be designing interview questions. It's a common and real-time projects and their scenario wise. I created some PDFs. Like today, September 23, by October 10 to 15 in between, I'll give you. Okay, means you need to edit and you need to send me the resume. How to prepare the resume. Everything I'll guide you. Don't worry, everything I'll guide you. Without that, I cannot leave. The main agenda is like my main theme. Not only just if you benefited from my training, definitely you can refer your cousins, your friends, definitely. Okay, it's because I had so many people like they had been interested, they completed, they got their jobs immediately, they refer their cousins like that or friends, the people who are looking okay from non-IT to IT background like this means I'm thinking that everyone who has been attended this particular training they need to benefit and they need to settle. That's my main motive. So I designed two PDFs. Okay, it's an extra thing I'm giving. Projects and their clients. Extra thing I'm giving you. Okay, just I'll guide you accordingly. I'll provide you the access by October 10 to 15 in between. Okay, I'll provide you the resumes also. I prepared some resumes. Accordingly, I'll give you. Okay, then you can provide this particular projects. Okay, I'll give you access in the upcoming classes like this. This is the thing. Yeah, this is the entire things I'm going to be design on LWC. Anyone have any queries? Anyone have any queries?
And
Anyone have any queries? Please respond. Am I audible to everyone?
Yes, Venkat.
So in
Is it?
LWC, when the JavaScript is required, right?
I will teach you because tomorrow HTML, CSS, Tuesday, Wednesday I will teach JavaScript, Thursday I will teach JavaScript, Friday I will start with LWC. Okay,
Okay, means JavaScript only one day.
2 days, not 1 day.
Okay. Okay.
If we teach only JavaScript 30 days, 100 days also not sufficient. JavaScript is wide. Whatever the things we are required for LWC, we are going to design. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Our main agenda is LWC, not JavaScript. In the LWC also we have JavaScript. Okay. Like
Yes.
in LWC, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript is there. But whatever the things which are used for LWC, I'm going to design. Okay, in these 2 days. Bhargav, any queries? Sunil. Today is just like introduction. Bhargav and Sunil, any queries? I think Sunil joined today. Yeah. Hi, Sunil.
Hi Venkat.
Yeah.
I'm daily following your through recording.
Oh, you are following means it's good. No worries. It's good.
Mm.
Okay. Any queries on today's class? Kindly please join regularly at least from tomorrow onwards. Okay. Mostly 20 classes. Okay. Bhargav, what
Yeah,
about you?
sure, Venkat. Yeah,
Yeah, try to join because if you join means even I'll feel happy. Everyone join means it's a good rapport
yeah,
is
yeah,
been built.
yeah. The problem is I travel from one state to different state. In US, there are a lot of time
Oh,
differences, so
yeah, I
a
understood.
lot
I
of
understood.
traveling and everything. Yeah,
At least if
yeah,
you're
I'll try
traveling
to.
means you can join in between traveling. Okay.
Yeah, I'll try to join. Yeah, things are getting
Okay.
settled, so yeah.
When you're traveling means you can intimate me. I'm traveling Venkat at initially. Okay, then I'll just you can listen at least. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, team. Can I start Visual Studio Code like HTML or can I start tomorrow? My main agenda is tomorrow HTML, CS and JavaScript. Today the first day demo. Demo in terms what is LWC and what are the topics I'm going to be designing.
Before you use VS Code, or this is the first time we are using it?
This is the first time we are using Visual Studio Code.
Okay, then you can tell some Visual Studio shortcuts like most important commands and all those things.
There is no that much of important commands anything. Just you can
Mm,
download the Visual Studio Code. Okay,
mm.
just you can upload the file like that. That's it. Okay.
No, like how to create scratch arcs, how to connect the dev hub.
That things are not completed, Bhargav. In the LWC installations, I'll do it.
Oh,
After
okay.
completion of LWC installation, then I'll connect the Salesforce org to Visual Studio Code. Yeah.
Mm,
On the
okay.
day in Friday class, I'm going to be design that things.
Okay.
Scratch orgs are not required in the real time. Also, will connect with our sandbox. Okay.
Yeah, sandbox only. Scratch arcs is just in case we need something.
Like, but the thing is, try to do in your personal org whatever the things because scratch org means it will be expired in 30 days. Okay.
Yeah,
Don't do that.
okay. Yeah.
Because whatever the LWC component we designed, we need to be used for future reusable. If it's a
Mm,
reusable, if you upload it in your like in your special org, it will be useful.
okay.
How to connect all these things, I'll explain. First, you need to install the Visual Studio Code. Okay, like so, I'm sharing my screen. Install this Visual Studio Code, everyone, before tomorrow class. Click on Windows. Okay, it will take some time. See, it is downloading. I'm uploading to you. Just I'm sending you.
Then we have to
Install
install
this Visual.
packages also, right?
No, no, no. Not required. I'll tell you when you need to install. Okay.
Okay.
Now not required.
Okay.
I'll tell you when it's required. Then you can install. Salesforce extension package, package.xml generator. Okay, package.xml generator. And I'll tell you when it will be. Now you can install, that's it. Okay. There are some packages need to be installed. I'll tell you when you need to install. Live server. Tomorrow you need to install the live server. Okay.
What is this?
Yeah.
Where it will help?
Mm. Live server
Live
is
server.
nothing but to connect. Like when you are on to see HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, if you
Mm,
saved automatically, it will be say like output will be displayed on the Chrome. Okay,
mm,
not for LWC, only for HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. LWC. Okay.
right.
Okay, team. Thank you. This is about today's class. Let's meet tomorrow, and kindly please join every day regularly, mostly 20 classes. Okay. Bye everyone. I'm stopping the recording.